Good morning, students. Yesterday we are discussing about linear programming problem. Now in yesterday we will discuss only two problems. Now today I will continue based on LPP, linear programming problem, to solve some more problems. That is 6-mark question. Now here problem number 3. Solve the following LPP graphically. Minimize z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y subject to constraints, limitations, x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. Both x and y should be positive. That is first quadrant. Okay. Now here you know working rule for solving LPP graphically. Now here first step. Now here objective function 1. This is second inequality, third inequality. Okay. Now first step, to convert inequality into an equation. Graph of x plus 2y is equal to 8 and here 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now to find out the points x and y, okay, x, y, put x equal to 0, that part is 0, 2y is 8, y is equal to 4. Conversely, y is equal to 0, x value 8. Whereas here to find x and y, x, y, again put x equal to 0, that part is 0, 2y is 12, y is equal to 6. Conversely, y is equal to 0, that part is 0, 3x is 12, x is equal to 12 by 3, 4. Therefore, the points, 4 points, namely A is a point, x is 0, y is 4, B be a point, x is 8, y is 0, C be a point 0, 6, and D be a point 4, 0. Join the points A, B and C, D. Okay. Now draw the graph. Here consider x and y axis. This is horizontal line is x axis, vertical line is y axis. O is the origin. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Locate those points. A is the point 0, 4, x is 0, y is 4. This is A point 0, 4. B be a point 8, 0. This is 8, 0. Join AB. It is slack inequality. It is draw a line AB in thick line. This is AB line. Okay. So its equation is, first equation, x plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay. Then C is a point 0, 6, 0, 6 here. C be a point 0, 6, D be a point 4, 0 here. D be a point 4, 0. Join CD. Its equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay. Then shade the region. ಈಗ shade ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡೋನು? Look here. Now take the point origin. Put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in inequality 2 and 3. X value 0, 2 into y value 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 less than 8, yes, which is true. Again, x is 0, y is 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 less than 12, yes. So 0, 0 satisfies both inequalities. Satisfies inequality 2 and 3. Okay. Therefore, solution region contains the origin. Contains the origin means towards the origin. Okay. Shade the region ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್. ಸಿ ಡಿ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. Right? This is the common shaded region that is known as visible region. ಏನು ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ visible region. These two lines intersect at this point E. Now to find the coordinates of point E by using inspection method or by using simultaneous equations. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ inspection method x is equal to 2 and y is 3. That is 2, 3. Okay. So this is the corner point. Now here there are 4 corner points: O, A, E, D. Here O, A, E, D is bounded, BDD, short form, bounded visible region. Bounded visible region. Therefore, coordinates of corner points are, what are the corner points? Corner points nothing but vertices. Corner points are vertex, origin 0, 0, A is a point 0, 4, E be a point 2, 3 and D be a point 4, 0. We got 4 corner points. Now to find the minimum value. So corner point, make 2 columns, corner point, then objective function z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y. So first corner point origin, second corner point 0, 4, third corner point 2, 3, fourth corner point 4, 0. ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. z is equal to 3 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 0, 0. Z is equal to minus 3 into x value 0 plus 4y, 4 into 4, 16. Z is equal to minus 3 into x value 2, minus 6 plus 4y, y value 12, that is plus 6. Z is equal to minus 3 into 4, minus 12, y value 0, that is minus 12. Among those values, which one is minimum? That is minus 12 is the minimum. Therefore, minimum value of z is equal to minus 12 at the corner point. ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು? At the corner point D is a point 4, 0. 6 mark question. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ LPP graphically. Maximize z is equal to, say 5x plus 3y, subject to the constraints 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15, 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15. Another inequality, 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. Both x and y should be positive. now maximize the objective function. Okay. Now here first step, to convert given inequality into an equation. Inequality and equation convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay. Now here graph of 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Here graph of 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now to find out the points, put x equal to 0, this is 0, 5y is 15, therefore y is equal to 3. Conversely, y is equal to 0, put y is 0, 3x is 15, x is equal to 15 by 3, 5. Similarly, put x equal to 0, this is 0, 2y is 10, y value 5. Conversely, y is equal to 0, 5x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 by 5, 2. Therefore, the points are, A is the point 0, 3, B is a point 5, 0, C is a point 0, 5 and D is a point 2, 0. Join the points A, B and C, D. Now draw the graph. Okay. Now here x and y axis, O is the origin. Now scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Locate the points. X is equal to 0, y is 3. 0, y is 3. A is the point 0, 3. B is the point 5, 0. X is 5. Y is 0, 5, 0. Join AB. It is thick line or dotted line? It is thick line because the given data is slack inequality. Its equation is 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Okay. Next, C is the point 0, 5. X is 0, y is 5. 0, 5. D is the point 2, 0. This is D point 2, 0. Join CD. Its equation is 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. Then shade the region. How to identify? Now 0, 0. Put x is 0, y is 0. 3 into 0, 0. 5 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 less than 15? Yes. Again here 0 plus 0. 0 less than 10? Yes. Therefore 0, 0 satisfies both inequality 2 and 3. Hence solution region contains the origin. Contains the origin means towards the origin. Hangandre ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? AB ದು towards the origin, CD ದು ಕೂಡ towards the origin. What is common portion? I think this is common portion. ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? This is the common portion. Common portion ಮಾತ್ರ highlight ಮಾಡಿ. These two lines intersect at the point E. Now to find the coordinates of point E. ಈ coordinates of point E find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲೇ by using inspection method or by using simultaneous equation. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 point something, 2 point something ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So what can you do? Solve those two equations. Now equation 1 ಏನಿದೆ? Equation 2, 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Then second equation, 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. Solving these two equations, simultaneous equation. Multiply first equation by 5, second equation by 3, because eliminate x. X eliminate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. 5 3s are 15x, 5 5s are 25y, 15 5s are 75. Second equation by 3, 15x plus 6y is equal to 30. Subtract minus minus minus. Those two terms get cancelled. 25 minus 6y, 19y. Correct? 75 minus 30, 45. So y is equal to 45 divided by 19. 45 divided by 19 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 19 2s are 38. 2 point something. Okay, so y coordinate is 45 by 19. Then to find x, put y is equal to 45 by 19 in any one equation. ಯಾವುದರ ಒಂದು equation ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Equation 1 gives 3x plus 5y, y value 45 by 19 is equal to 15. So 3x is equal to 15. That term goes to right side. 5 45s are 5 5s are 25, that is 225 by 19. So 3x is equal to LCM 19. Here 119s are how much? 15 9s are 135. Carry 13. 15 ones are 15 plus 13 28. That is 285 minus 225. So 3x is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 60 divided by 19. Therefore x is equal to 3 ones are 3 20s are 20 by 19. X value 20 by 19, y value 45 by 19. 1 point something 20 by 19. Okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ solve those two equations. Okay, then here OAED is bounded, bounded feasible region, covered. Bounded means covered. Then write the corner points. Make 2 columns, corner point. Now the question, maximize z is equal to 5x plus 3y. First corner point, origin. Second corner point, A is the point 0, 3. Third corner point, E is the point 20 by 19, 45 by 19. Then D is the corner point 2, 0. Now put 1 by 1 value. Z is equal to 5 into 0, 3 into 0, 0. Z is equal to 5 into 0, 0, 3 into 3, 9. That is 9. Z is equal to 5 into 20 by 19 plus 3 into 45 by 19. LCM is 19. 25 is 100. 100 plus 3 5s are 15, 135. That is equal to 235 divided by 19. And here Z is equal to 5 into 2 plus 3 into y value 0, that is 10. Among those, which one is maximum? 235 by 19 rest agutte. 235 divided by 19. 19 ones are 19. That is 445. 19 twos are 38. How much? 15 minus 8, 7. Point. 19 fours are 76. 19 threes are 57. That is 3. 12.3. This is approximately 12.3. So among those, which one is biggest? 12.3 is the biggest. Therefore, maximum value of Z is equal to, maximum value is 235 by 19. That is nothing but 12.3. At the corner point, ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು? At the corner point, E is a point 20 by 19, 45 by 19. Okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1.2 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, 1.3 ಆಸಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ? ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು equations, linear equations, by using simultaneous equations. To find the value of x, eliminate y. Similarly, to find the value of y, eliminate x. E type solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So maximum value of z is how much? 235 15 235 by 19 at the corner point 20 by 19 45 by 19. Okay, idea bantala idu 6 mark. Okay, problem number 5. Solve the following LPP graphically. Both maximize and minimize z is equal to 3x plus 9y subject to the constraints x plus 3y less than or equal to 60, x plus y more than or equal to 10, then x is less than or equal to y. Both x and y should be positive value. Okay. Now look here. Now first step, to convert the inequality. Here there are three inequalities: x plus 3y less than or equal to 60, x plus y more than or equal to 10, x less than or equal to y, that is same as x minus y less than or equal to 0. Okay. ಈಗಿಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ. Then graph of, convert these three inequalities into an equation. Graph of second inequality, x plus 3y is equal to 60, and here x plus y is equal to 10, here x minus y is equal to 0. Okay. Now here to find out the points. Okay, x, y. Put x equal to 0, that part is 0, 3y is 60, y is 20. 320 is a 60. Conversely, y is equal to 0, x value 60. Here, to find x and y, put x is 0, y is 10. Y value 0, x is also 10. Then to find x and y, put x is 0, y is also 0. Both x and y should be 0. Take another number. Innone number todri beri. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ x is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10, ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10 ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ x is equal to 20, put x is 20, or if you take x is equal to 10, take any one number. Okay, put x is 20, y value is also 20. Put x is 10, y value 10. Put x is 30, y is also 30. ಎರಡು 0 0 ಬಂದಾಗ x value 0, y value 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ take x value another number which is more than 10 or equal to 10. Okay, so graph draw ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ x equal to 1, y value 1, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 10 60 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದರ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ a is a point, x is 0, y is 20. B be a point, x is 60, y is 0. C be a point, x is 0, y is 10. D be a point, x is 10, y is 0. And E be a point 0 0. F be a point 20, 20. Join the points. A, B, C, D and E, F. Okay. Now draw the graph. X and y axis. O is the origin. Scale, take 1 centimeter is equal to 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and so on. Scale ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Now locate those points. ಈ points ಅನ್ನು locate ಮಾಡಿ. X is 0, y is 20. 0, 20. Here A is the point 0, 20. Okay. B point 60, 0. X is 60. Y is 0. Join those 2 points. its equation is x plus 3y is equal to 60. Next, C is the point 0 comma 10. This is C point 0 comma 10. D be a point 10 comma 0. This is D point 10 comma 0. Join CD. Its equation is x plus y is equal to 10. Next, E be a point 0 0. Origin hodidu E no agutte idu origin 0 0. F be a point 20 20. X is 20, y is 20. Illi baruttala. So this is F point 20 comma 20. Join EF. Its equation is x minus y is equal to 0. We got 3 lines. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Now what can you do? Now 0 comma 0. Put x is 0, y is 0 in inequality 2, 3 and 4. Put 0 comma 0 in inequality 2. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 less than 60? Yes. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 more than 10? No. Okay. Now here 0 comma 0 satisfies inequality 1. Inequality 1. Therefore, solution region contain the origin. Contains the origin means towards the origin. Second inequality substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 comma 0 does not satisfy. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 more than 10. Is it 0 more than 10? No. Does not satisfy inequality 2. Inequality 2. Therefore, solution region does not contains the origin. Does not contain the origin. Does not contain the origin means away from the origin. Also, ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 0 comma 0. Put x is 0, y is 0. 0 minus 0 less than 0. Is it 0 minus 0 less than 0? No. So, is it satisfies? No. Okay. So, 0 comma 0 does not satisfy inequality 4. Okay. This is inequality 2. This is 3. That is 4. Therefore, solution region does not contain the origin. Does not contain the origin means away from the origin. Okay. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 0 ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೇ 2. Y value 0. Take x value, y value fixed 0. Put x equal to positive number, say 2. 2 minus y value 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Is it 2 less than 0? 2 0 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? No. So, does not satisfy. ಈಗ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್? ಎಸ್, ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಶೇಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಡಿ ಲೈನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಎ ಬಿದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂತು, ಸಿ ಡಿದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇ ಎಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ, ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾಂ. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸಿ A, and here these two are the corner points. F one corner point, that is F is here, ill one corner point is ill one corner. So that corner point is G, that corner point is say H. Now to find coordinates of H and coordinates of G. So how to calculate coordinates of G and H? ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಾ? ಟೂ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. G ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 15 ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, by using inspection method or by using simultaneous equation. Then ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು 5, x is 5, y is 5. Here 15 and here 15. Okay. Therefore here ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? CAGH is bounded feasible region. Bounded feasible region. Then make two columns, corner points, then maximize as well as minimize. Z is equal to 3x plus 9y. First corner point C ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0, 10. Then A corner point 0, 20. G corner point 15, 15. H corner point 5, 5. Okay, these are the corner points. This is bounded feasible region. Put x equal to 0, y is 10. 3 into 0 plus 9 into 10. How much? 90. Z is equal to 3 into 0, 9 into 20. 29 is 180. Then Z is equal to 3 into 15 plus 9 into 15. 15 3s are 45. 15 9s are 135. How much? 180. Then Z is equal to 3 into 5 plus 9 into 5. 45 plus 15, 60. Okay, we got the values. Among those, which one is maximum value? 180. 2 maximum value. 2 corner points, maximum value is 180. Minimum is 60. Therefore, maximum value is Z is equal to 180 at 2 corner points. ಯಾವ್ದು? At A is the point 0, 20 and G is the point 15, 15. ಹೌದಾ? ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ Z is equal to minimum ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 60. At the corner point H is the corner point 5, 5. ಎರಡು ಕೇಳಿದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ? ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ y is equal to 0. y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೇ x equal to 2, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 less than 0. 2 0ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. Okay, upper shaded. So this is the common shaded portion. That common shaded region is the feasible region, bounded feasible region. We got 4 corner points: C corner point, A corner point, G and H corner point. Now to find the coordinates of G and H, either by inspection method or by solving the lines ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ G ಮತ್ತು H ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so maximum value is 180 at 2 corner points 0, 20 as well as 15, 15, and minimum value is Z is equal to 60 at the only one corner point 5, 5. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರೀತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ?